I was privileged to be in Palestine, and I was also in Israel. Every corner in Palestine you would find Israeli soldiers. Nothing grows in Palestine. All the food is sent from Israel, the water, the everything. Before 1947, we all know that it was a Palestinian state. Now it has become an Israeli state, and nobody is actually ready from the rest of the world to actively be participating in the peace process. And that is sad. It's not enough to say, stop it, it's not good. When people are not stopping it, you must take action. What is the action? Now we see African countries undergoing sanctions, Zimbabwe and some other countries. Why are we not seeing these countries being sanctioned? Israel is a more powerful country than Palestine as it stands right now. Palestine doesn't get support from America. Weapons are not coming into Palestine. Weapons are all going to Israel and some other such countries. What is the world doing? How can you put two people together and say fight when one person is a lightweight and the other person is a heavyweight? It means you are intentionally sanctioning a massacre of the lightweight. It doesn't make sense. In the boxing ring, you put people of the same weights together to compete. But in this kind of unfair competition, I see a lot of people die. I met Mahmoud Abbas. He was happy to see me. And what did he say? I said, well, the Israeli people want to meet me. Benjamin Netanyahu has sent a message that he would like to meet me. And he said, when you go, can you do me a favor? I said, yes. Please tell the president of Israel that they have taken the land enough. What is left for us, they should leave it in the name of peace. I look at the old man and I said, are you sure? You are not going to get the rest of the land? He said, just let our people have peace. Let them keep the rest of the land. Did you see the soldiers all over Palestine? I said, yes, I saw them. Did you see our soldiers in Israel? I said, no. He said, so who is attacking who? That they are wept. At the end of the day, we are calling for peace. We don't have the weapons. We cannot do anything much more than just talking. Let there be peace, let there be equality, and let there be prosperity. The killing is too much. No religion supports killing. It's sad. Yeah.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.